Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. So guys, it's Amar here, and in today's video I'm going to be showing you what I did when I had this UN error. So I never planned to do a video on this particular day because I was quite busy in the house doing a couple of things, but I suddenly started hearing the bleepy sound of the washing machine. That's the HISENSE top loader 8 kg washing machine, right? So I've done a couple of videos on how to use it, how to solve a lot of problems. So you can just watch the playlist about hacks and appliances in my channel, and you see so many videos about it. So when I saw that it was bleeping, I went to pick up my camera to show you guys how to solve this problem. So a lot of people have had several issues using this washing machine, so I just decided to do a quick one, pick up my camera and show you guys what I did when I encountered this problem. So I hope you find the video useful, and if you do, kindly like the video, share and drop your comments and subscribe to the channel if you have not done so. See, so it has continued. It's no more giving that error sign. Do not forget to like, share, comment, like this video if you find it helpful, and then share to others, and then subscribe to the channel if you find the content useful. You see that I've answered a lot of questions concerning this particular washing machine, and I would like to see your comments, guys. Thanks for the support. Welcome back to my channel. It's Amara here, and in today's video I'm going to be showing you what to do when your washing machine turns up with the UN error. And the particular washing machine is the HISENSE top loader 8 kg washing machine. So whenever it comes up with the UN error, this is what you should do. So in a minute I'm going to be showing you that right now. So what you should do when you have the UN error, it means that your clothes have been tilted. The weight of your clothes has packed to a particular side, so the weight is not balanced. So if you can see here, I have a very thick bedspread. This is a big and thick bedspread, so when it was spinning, it probably curled up to one side of the tub, making it unstable. So now I'm just untangling it to balance it, you understand, to balance the weight across the tub. So that is what you should do whenever you have the UN error. All you need to do is just to balance the clothes. If all the weight is tilted to one side, you make sure that it is balanced, and that's what I'm just doing right here. I'm untangling the big bedspread that had curled up to a particular side of the washing machine, and let's see if it's going to continue. So I'm going to press the start or pause button and see if it's going to start again. Nothing. So I'm going to just, if it doesn't, I'll just put it off, put it on again. I'm afraid it's going to restart the whole process for me, so I'll just put it off, stop it. I'll start again, and since it has washed and it was just doing the rinse process, I'll just go to this step. I'll select rinse. I can either select this one, but because I don't want to come back after rinsing, come back to spin, I'll just go and select this program. I understand that it could be time consuming because you're almost done with that. It was already like 17 minutes, but since I just want to do it automatically, rinse plus spin, it's going to take me 31 minutes. But I don't mind because I don't want to be coming back after I rinse it, come back again, spin. So that's how it works. So if you notice, it's not giving us the UN error again. So just allow it to drain whatever water it has there. Then it's going to spin. After it spins, I'm going to pour fresh water and rinse it. So that is how to handle the UN arrow. All you need to do is to balance your clothes and continue washing. See, so it has continued. There's no more giving that arrow sign. So as you can see, it has continued with the wash process. It has continued with the wash process, and it's currently filling it up to get it rinsed. So no more error. It's not giving the error sign. Everything is properly balanced. So these are the things that could happen when you are washing an heavy item, something that is heavy, right? So someone asked me at some point, do I wash duvet in it? I told them I've not washed duvet, but this particular bedspread is a double cotton bedspread, you understand? A kind of bedspread that you zip in a thick mattress, so it's quite heavy. So I think if I can wash this big duvet, no, rather this big bedspread and big heavy bedspread in it, I think you should be able to wash a duvet. But mind you, when you're washing something like that, it should be only that duvet, you understand? Or if it's a blanket, then it should only be the blanket. So just make sure that it's not too heavy. For whatever kg, I heard that the 10 kg is similar to this one. So according to the kg of your washing machine, do not overload it to avoid the UN error on it. So that's all for today, guys. So in case you have other questions, you can watch my other videos. I'll link them up here where I answered questions. And if you want to see the full process of how to wash with the HISENSE top loader washing machine, you can watch my other videos. I gave all the details in those particular videos. So I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye bye. Do not forget to like, share, comment, like this video if you find it helpful, and then share to others, and then subscribe to the channel if you find the content useful. You see that I've answered a lot of questions concerning this particular washing machine, and I'd like to see your comments, guys. Thanks for the support. I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye bye.